Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Word. Dark theme, or sometimes called dark mode or night mode, has been taking off in recent years. A lot of apps and websites have started offering the feature as it would make the interface easier in the eyes, especially when being used in a low light condition or at night. Therefore, we have the name night mode. On top of that, the reduced brightness also helps preserve power on portable devices. With all the benefits mentioned, here's how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Word. By the way, I'm using Microsoft Word 365, which may or may not have similar interface to your own, but I think it is safe to say that modern version of Microsoft Word could still follow the guide nonetheless. So first, what you need to do is open a document. Any document doesn't really matter. And then go to File, click Account, and then on the Office theme, you can select dark gray, or if you want to make it even darker, you can select black. And this is the result. If you are using Windows 10 or 11 with dark mode enabled, you may select Use System Setting, as it will automatically change the mode based on your system preference. You can still add color background on pages, but keep in mind that black will become white in dark mode and vice versa. This setting is not limited to Microsoft Word. Other Microsoft Office products like PowerPoint, Excel, and Teams will also get affected. So that is one thing to consider when you are switching to dark mode. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope this guide helps you, and thank you for watching.